Learning is not always immediately obvious. In this video, we're going to talk about latent learning. In a classic experiment, Tolman and Honzik placed 3 groups of rat in a maze. The first group always found food at the end of the maze. The second group never got any food. And the third group didn't get food for 10 days, but on the 11th day they received food. So if we look up here at the graph, the green line is the group that always got food. And this is time in days, and this is the average number of errors. And we can see over time, as their behaviors got reinforced, the animal learned and reduced the number of errors. The purple line is the line that never got reinforced. And while they got a little bit better over time, they still made significantly more errors than the group that got reinforced every day. Now this red line is the group that didn't have any reinforcement for the first 10 days. And their behavior looks very much like the purple line. And then all of a sudden on day 11, they got reinforced. And by day 12, they look almost like the green line. And you can see that something was learned. So this third group demonstrated what's called latent learning, a form of learning that's not immediately expressed as an overt response. It occurs without obvious reinforcement. So they were learning something, but the behavior wasn't being reinforced. It wasn't until that reinforcement came out that they were motivated to show what they had learned. So it's important to see that learning is not always immediately expressed in performance. What's learned in latent learning is not specific behavioral response, but the knowledge that about the responses and their consequences.